Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to make this crispy chicken McChicken. Let me just call it McChicken. So I hope you stick around. Let's get to it. First of all, check the description for all the ingredients. Okay, so this is the chicken breast I'm using some beer, lemon zest, one lemon zest, breadcrumbs, that is breadcrumbs guys. Okay, so marjoram, thyme, black or white pepper. Okay, that is marjoram. Actually the first one was thyme, and here is semolina or semovita. Okay, make sure you use a good quality one, and that is all purpose of flour, some salt. Okay, these are the ingredients we're going to be using. So first thing we're going to do is to debone the chicken, take out some excess fat that is in the chicken, the bone and everything. So I'm going to go ahead now to clean the chicken. So after cleaning the chicken and deboning them and slicing them into the pieces I want, I'm going to place them on a oven pepper right now, because you need to, I don't know what it's called, something that you use to make the chicken a bit tender. So I'm going to be using my spatula, rolling pin to do that, because you need to make that chicken to be a bit tender, you know. So I'm going to do that for both sides of the chicken, then we'll proceed. Now that chicken is ready, now we're going to prepare the batter. So I'm going to add one lemon zest into my flour. After then I'm going to add the seasoning, which is a half teaspoon of thyme, a half teaspoon of marjoram spices. I'm going to be looking for English name of that spice, okay, or that seasoning. So some black pepper or white pepper, some salt. After adding the salt, I'm going to add the beer and the water. So after adding them, I'm going to use my hand wicks to mix everything together. You don't need a thick batter, you don't need a watering batter. Your batter has to be between thick and liquid, just creamy texture, but not too thick, not too watering. Okay, so after I'm done doing that, I'm going to set that aside, then we'll proceed to the next step. So here is the next step guys. The chicken, I'm going to place it first into my semolina. Make sure that they are well coated. Okay, after the semolina, I'm going to place them into the batter. After the batter, lastly we're going to go into the breadcrumbs. So I'm going to do that with the rest of the chicken. So now I'm going to allow the chicken to rest for at least 30 minutes or more, or you can pump them in the freezer until you're ready to use them. Over to the bread guys. This is the bread I'm using, and now I'm going to place the bread on my oven tray. My oven is preheated. You can use pan to do this if you don't have oven, or if you don't want to on your oven, just warm the bread up. Okay, I'm going to be using the grill part of the oven to do this, so you can equally do that or use a frying pan to heat the bread up. Okay, so for the oven, I'm going to allow them to stay for the oven for 10 minutes, then I will take them out. Okay, now it's time to fry our chicken. The oil is wet, very hot already, so I'm going to fry both sides of the chicken until they are until they are well crispy. So both sides take me like each side take me like 4 to 5 minutes to fry on a medium high, not very high heat, okay, because you need to give the chicken time to be well cooked. So I'm now flipping the chicken over to allow the other side to cook as well. Okay, now it's time to take that chicken out of the oil, and I'm going to repeat the same step with the other chicken. I'm done frying the chicken, guys. Now it's time to set up our McChicken. So I'm not adding any cream. You can add more cream on it, okay? So that is the bread. I'm going to add one of the chicken I fried earlier into the bread, and add my iceberg salad. For the cream I'm using a yogurt, like plain yogurt, and just a teaspoon of mayonnaise. You can just mix up your own cream, okay? And a little bit of vinegar and oil. That is what I'm using there as cream. I want to make it as light as possible, okay? But you can use any favorite cream of your choice, burger cream or anything, or salt cream. So I'm done with that particular one. Now I'm going to repeat the same step with the other burger because I'm making 3 portions, okay? So yeah, it's really fun making this, and I'm so proud of myself for creating this recipe. Tastes so good. This burger tasted so good, guys. You need to give it a try. If you try this burger, you never go to McDonald's or anywhere to buy burger for yourself. You will love making your own burger at home, okay? You can do it, guys. You can do it. You can actually cut the chicken, like trim the chicken to be at the same size with the same size with the bread. You can just like slice them around to make them the same size, okay? So guys, that is the end of the video. I hope you enjoy watching this video. Give it a try. You're going to enjoy every bit of it, okay? So thank you for watching. Share, like, and subscribe, and I will see you in my next one. God bless you all. Bye.